These are the two main screws you have to open. This is rod for supporting glass window. This portion we have cut to make new rod move back and forth, and also we have made a hole here to put rod. And you can see this is how we have installed the rod inside. This is position of central lock, also we call actuator, and this is a wiring. The rod going inside the lock, and you can see we have installed screws. This is back door, position of central lock. Now it's time to check the remote. It's locked. Back door also locked. First time unlock the driver door. Yes, it's open. And now we have to open back door. Yes, it's open too.